In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove coupon codes from Woocommerce. 5 minutes. If you're no longer running promotions or you simply want a cleaner checkout without distractions, disabling coupons in Woocommerce is quick and reversible. I'll walk you through it step by step so you know exactly where to click and what to expect. Start by signing into your WordPress dashboard. This is the main admin area for your site where you manage everything from products to settings. Once you're in, look to the left-hand sidebar. Find WooCommerce in the menu. It's the control center for your store. Click WooCommerce, then choose Settings. Settings is where all the store-wide preferences live, so any changes here will affect your entire shop. At the top of the Settings page, select the General tab. This tab houses core store options like your location, currency, and, importantly for today, coupon controls. Now scroll down the page until you find the option labeled Enable Coupons. This setting controls whether customers can apply coupon codes in the cart and at checkout. When it's enabled, WooCommerce shows a field where buyers can enter a coupon. If you uncheck this box, WooCommerce will hide that field and stop accepting coupons during checkout. Uncheck Enable Coupons, then head to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. Saving is essential. Nothing is applied until you do. After saving, WooCommerce will stop showing coupon fields and customers won't be able to apply codes during their purchase. A couple of quick notes so you know what's happening behind the scenes. Disabling coupons does not delete any coupon codes you've already created. They remain stored in your site, but they're inactive while this setting is off. If you change your mind later, you can come back to the same spot, re-enable coupons, save, and your existing codes will work again without needing to recreate them. If you use discount or pricing extensions that apply automatic discounts, be aware that this setting only disables the built-in WooCommerce coupon field. Some third-party plugins may still apply their own rules independently. Check those plugin settings if you want to turn off all promotional pricing. Finally, if your site uses caching, you may need to clear your cache so visitors immediately see the updated checkout without the coupon field. And if your theme customizes the cart or checkout templates, the location of the coupon field may vary, but disabling coupons here still removes the functionality store-wide. That's all there is to it. Simple, clean, and easy to reverse whenever you're ready to run promotions again.